The brain about the right bars. Like a shit with that was trying to get my money like a B-Bond. Chillin' with Gucci. Oh my god. I was trying to go and keep it with the drug ball. Why you weren't trying to go and say I have a good time. Shout out to the lady in the back with the white smart.
And I gotta go out and get up on that squad. Jeremy's the squad. You should do that shit. I'm not Jesse. Going to station 88 the Wells. Someone. from the bed. You gotta save the whales, yeah. And we got it going in. Yo, wake up. Yo, turn up the dog. Turn up. Respect, you know that every single music. Yeah, I really gotta do with this little strong shit. Yo, we just do the fucking flow, man. Hey. Shout out to the people in the street now. Shout out to the girls going ahead. Cabo, you know that I'm rolling on me, feeling like I want a lotto. Yeah, you know that I ain't got no sorrow. Shooting like a hero, rolling on the borrow. Rolling on the floor like a roller.
Shout out to the dude in the leather jacket, red smoke. It's the best. If you're talking about the brainiac, I got to be watching the things that I gotta do. You gotta be getting the fact that you're living, I gotta be telling them.
When you don't put it on. I'll go in there. A reputation for like
Shout out to my man who was smoking on. Man, I'm just kidding. I kind of different. I'm beating up the beat. You know that I'm quite.
I love you.
We should be friends up till the end. I'm always in the
I'm in the coming to the side of the fucking harder and higher than the margin. Older than the heart to give it.
I'm a demon, I've been eating on the streets, I don't really give a fuck. This for your platinum, I'm freezer, I don't give a free. This is my war, really, that's bitch, you get out some lyrics, and I don't really care you kind of mad at me.
We're half under the.
Drop your wallet, and we're good to go. Shout out everybody in the pits. Let's get another.